Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. I am Abu Kalam again here. In this video I am going to teach you how to create a logo using AI. It's absolute free. You don't need any payment, you don't need any login requirement here. This is a super tool. So I am going to google.com, then charts lexica.art. You can see this is a lexica art interface, and if you are able to download those type of millions of free template, and this one any photo download, just take one click download, you don't log in here. So I'm going to search bar, then type and just cloth logo. You can see this tool lexica.art suggest me lots of free logo already created using AI. Scroll down. So wow, this is really good. You can download any one. Then I want to download this one. This is really good. Then just one click download. You are able to download all photo. You don't need any payment and any login requirement here. And I'm going to go. Then this is really good. This is free. So if you want to more video about those type of tricks and tips, chat GPT, AI, and make money online, please keep watch others video in my channel and turn on notifications.